Hey you guys, welcome back to part 3 of my Atlanta trip. This time we're getting out of the city. We're heading to Roswell Mill, Waterfall. Okay, I love finding places like this when I travel. Let me just say, this time my niece told me about this place. So come along with me and don't forget there's still more Atlanta to come. Alrighty, I think I found where to start walking. I'm gonna go right here to Old Mill Park, 95 Mill Street. I think this is a trail. I see people going this way, so let's go see what we can get into. Oh wow, look at that, it's beautiful. That's where we're going, down there. Down there, there's a waterfall somewhere here that hopefully I'll find it. We'll get to see waterfall. I don't know how far away from here that is, but we'll walk some. It's kind of, but with the trees, it's shaded, so it's not as hot as it was where I came from. So they got a couple of trails to choose from. I'm gonna make this go around this way because this is where I seen where the water is, and I'm assuming maybe the waterfall is somewhere toward the end of this trail. Woo! This is gonna be a climb coming back. Maybe there's stairs somewhere. Take the stairs, cause ooh wee.
Double ball thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Doesn't that sound beautiful? The water running, the lush green trees. Well, the leaves on the trees anyway. This is really nice. Of course, it'd be nicer with other people, but I'm just glad to get out here. Probably not going to venture off into the trails where the trees are because I'm by myself. Stay near the water. I would like to find a waterfall, so I think I have to get back closer to the building where I have more of a signal to find that. But if not, this works too. I want to sit in a spot closer to the water. This is not close enough for me. I mean, it's nice, but I'd like to be closer. So it's a nice size rock here. I need to find one closer where my knees aren't up high. You know, where I can actually sit. Let's find us a different spot. Well, that's a really good spot, but nothing to disturb him or his dogs. Let's keep looking. Alrighty, so the direction I'm going in, some young girls were coming this way. I'm headed that way. They're going this way. And I was asking them about the waterfalls, and they're trying to find the waterfalls too. And they said they didn't find any that way. So, I don't know if I'm gonna I kind of see a spot there could sit at, or maybe even sit right here for a little bit and just take this all in. I really want to find a waterfall. They have a map, but it looks so complicated on the phone. So I'm gonna sit and listen, take in the sounds of nature, the sights of nature for a little while, and then figure out which way I'm gonna go from here. You guys are coming along too, so stay tuned. We're outside. You know, when you think of Atlanta, you don't think of this. At least I don't, and most people that I know don't think of, this is not what you think of. You don't attribute this to Atlanta, but this is a nice gym, a nice spot, a nice little place to come and enjoy some nature, being outside. And today's weather is like the perfect weather, at least in this area. But they have all the trees to block out the sun, and you have the water to help give you moisture in the air and to feel the coolness. And watching the birds, hearing the birds. And I love water, so, and the sounds of water. It's a good place to get to if you live in Atlanta, a good place to come to get away from the hustle and bustle, all the noise of the city, and just come and take deep breaths, unwind, and reconnect. Good place to sit and contemplate, figure out your life, where you're going, what's going on with it, where you want to go next. If you're at a crossroads, which way you want to go. It's just a good place to come meditate. And if you ever come to Atlanta to visit, look this place up. Make sure you come out here. Check it out. Looks like a tree fell across the path right here, and they had to cut it. It's neat though how they did it, so we can still walk through there. Couple of trees, few of them. I'm gonna turn around here and go back toward where I first came in, back across that bridge, and head that direction and see what's over that way. So let's go. Thing is, I don't want to go off onto different paths. They have different trails you can take off of this one. I want to stay on this main one because I know how to get back. I don't want to start taking a bunch of trails and then not be able to get back to this one. I'd feel more comfortable if there was another person with me so we could figure it out together. But just me by myself, I'm doing good right here. Right by the water. I wish I could have got it. There's a dude in all white walking this trail. He had white pants and a white sweatshirt. That's brave. To be out here in all this dirt in all white. Some people can do it. I'm not one. Some people get in this water and swim in it. I mean, growing up, we used to go to the lake and get in that water. It's just no different. See folks over there in the water splashing each other and stuff, just having fun. I'd love to sit here and stay in this area some more, but I am on a quest to find a waterfall. Semblance of a waterfall. Something, so the journey begin. Will we find one or not? Let us keep on this trip and see. Hey, there's a map. See if it helps us out any. You are here. So this is where we are. Hiking trails. I want the waterfall. How do we figure out where a waterfall is? View map online. I have that one. Okay, yeah. This might have to be our waterfall. If we don't find anything else, this will have to be it. There's a bridge that walked across to get over here. That's where I was just sitting on there. Come up and go across there, but I kind of want to see what's up here. Kind of need to watch where I'm going. See y'all at the top. So straight down, left side where people are sitting. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right. So I'm glad I came up those steps. That was so nice of you. You heard the instruction. Straight down this trail. And then there's some people sitting on a cliff. We'll have to see what this cliff looks like, because yeah, we'll see what it looks like. And to the left of them is the waterfall. So cool, cool, cool. Oh, I'm getting excited. I'm really excited about seeing it. And yes, I'm a little winded. I'm coming up them stairs. It's good. Get my heart pumping and the blood flowing. I wonder how far down this trail though. But we going until we find it. Because that was the whole purpose of coming here. To see the waterfall. So let's keep walking. It looks like we have a bit of an incline here. I'm not sure if it's showing up on the camera, but it's a bit of an incline. We can do it though. We can do it. Sound is beautiful. I love the sound on this trail. I can hear it and I can see it, y'all. And it is a waterfall. It's not a fake waterfall. It's pretty nice size. See if I can capture it through the trees right here so you guys can see it a little bit before we get hopefully closer.
I'm gonna ask for their permission, but there's no way they're about to jump.
Oh my goodness.
I said there's no way you're about to jump. There's
And they
no
did.
way. This is like my business. I made this for a little bit.
All right, I just had like the longest conversation with this dude. I'm trying to figure out how to get down there. I'm not sure. I may have to, oh, I can see how they come up. Okay, from here. All right, I'm gonna have to put some stuff away for balance. See y'all at the bottom. Got a stick to help, hopefully. We'll see. this will probably be as far as I go, because I'm not too sure about it. It's steep. It's extremely steep. It's not thick. I have this stick, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to try it. Kids are down there, but you know, they got young knees, young ankles. That just looks too steep. So this is good right here. Don't you think? This one girl's having too much trouble trying to get back up here. Yeah, I'm good. I would love to go down there, but looking at the trouble she's having just coming back up. No, thank you. It's like rock climbing, and I'm not a rock climbing type person. So, oh, she's gonna have to go down. Okay, so there's a different way to get down there, up and down, other than the way. All right. So I was thinking you had to go up and down this cliff down here. They just came through over there, so I might try it, but I gotta put this up. I'll see how far I can get. All right, we made it down here. Is it easier that way? Sorry? Is it easier coming down that way?
No.
Not really? This way? Oh, okay. You took the hard way.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a fun little way this way, but it gets pretty sketchy.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
So, okay.
That's how to do it.
I'll stick with this way then. We made it. You guys, I'm gonna head on back in, head on back to the car, but I'm trying to figure out which way I want to go. If I want to go up the way I came down, or go up the way everyone else seems to be going up, which is the harder way. I need to think about my knees. I don't know. I have to see when I get over there, but I don't even want to leave. I do not want to leave. But the sun is gone, the clouds have come in. I don't know if it's going to start raining or not, but anyway, it's time to get going. It was a wonderful trip. Wonderful trip out here. I did make it up. Had this nice young couple show me, asked me if I wanted to come, like the way they were sitting. I didn't even see them sitting over there. It was much easier, not as steep. So that was nice. So hopefully I can insert that footage in here. Oh, is that easier? Okay. I didn't hear you guys at first.
Oh no, you're fine. The water is like loud.
Yeah, it is.
I want you like fall.
Thank you. Oh, that is easier. And then just in here, huh?
Right there.
Stay to the right. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Right here. All right, I think I'm back to where I was. Oh, there we go. That was nice of them. Okay. And we're back up. Whew. Thank you guys. Anyway, we could go further, but like I said, it's getting later. So I'm going to start heading back. I don't know if it's going to start raining or not. I'm not really familiar with Atlanta weather when the skies get like it's looking right now. I don't think it's going to rain. Rain's not in the forecast, but you know, you never know. But right there, there's a lot, you can keep going that way. One of the guys I was talking to, one of the young men, he was saying like, if you, because the trail, it moves away from the water, so if you want to get more into nature, you can keep going. That would be on another trip, not this trip today. But just know, like if you get to this waterfall, you can keep going and get more into the nature part of it. There's a place further down where to keep going that they were jumping off of rock or something into the water. And he showed me some footage from that he got on his camera. And I talked to those guys as we were standing there. They came through and we talked to them a little bit. They said they do that every summer when they're here. They come out here and do that. So that's something you can do while you're here too. Find the places where they take and jump into the water. I may walk a little further and see, or I may head on back. That guy said about 5 to 10 more minute walk. I know one thing, sitting here is not going to get me anything. So let me make a decision and get going. So it looks like I decided to walk a little further. I'm gonna walk a little bit just to see, and gotta pay attention because we're right here on the edge.
Pretty sure I just saw on his post he moved to Miami.
They did. You haven't spoken to him since.
Really?
I mean, yeah, he was really uncomfortable. So I didn't want to. But I didn't want to like make it a whole thing. So I just kind of rebelled.
All right. Sound like he got hit by a branch. Oh, we can hear the birds again now. Moving further away from the waterfall. That's a trail up there. I don't know where we're not going. We're going just to here. And that's it. That's a tree that has fallen. Timber! All right, let's get back. Time to go back for real. One down, and then turning, and down some more. Okay, y'all. Let's get our energy up. So we got this hill to climb up, up, up. So let's get these muscles ready. Or are those steps up there? Probably another ramp. We're here. Let's just take this on up. Let's go, y'all. Engage those muscles. Your core muscle as well as the thigh muscles. Let's go. Check out some scenery while we go up. Is that a bathroom? I could have used that bathroom right there. Made it up. All right, y'all, we made it up. Not so bad, huh? Still got one little hill over here. One more time. One thing I always like to do when I travel is look beyond the usual places and see what else there is to discover. Sometimes the best memories come from a park, a trail, a waterfall, a little neighborhood spot, or somewhere you didn't even know was there. Sometimes you have to have someone who can tell you about places to go to. So when you're out of town, take a little time to explore, ask the people you're around, what type of places there are that you could go to. Find something that interests you, try something different, kind of get out of your comfort zone and make the most of where you are. Anyway, as always, get out there, enjoy life, whatever that looks like for you. Have fun, be safe, and God bless you.